Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to create group chat TikTok. To start the process, open your TikTok application in your mobile device. Then go to your profile. Here, tap on Inbox. After that, tap on chat icon on your top left corner. Now select the users you want to add to the group. After that, tap on Start Group Chat. As you can see, your group has been created. From here, you can see your group members. You can check your group from here. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.